In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to use your Freeagent account. We'll walk through the steps together to ensure your accountant can access your account smoothly and securely, which will make managing your finances that much easier. Whether you're new to Freeagent or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Freeagent account. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the drop-down menu, where you'll find Settings. From there, select Users to get started on adding your accountant as a new user. This will take us to a page where we can manage user access, a crucial step in collaborating effectively. Now that you're in the Users section, look to the top right corner and you'll see a button labeled New User. Give that a click. You'll now be prompted to fill out some details, specifically your accountant's first name, last name, and their email address. This information is essential to send them an invitation and ensure they have the correct access with their professional role. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Role. Here, choose Accountant as the role for the person you're inviting. This step is vital because selecting the correct role ensures that the right permissions and access levels are granted to your accountant. Once you've done that, check the box to send them a customized email invitation. This email will guide them through the setup of their password and initial login, so it's important they receive it without delay. Moving on to user permissions. Here, Freeagent offers a handy user permissions slider to select the level of access you'd like to grant. By default, this is set to level 7, but feel free to adjust it to level 8 for full access, which is often recommended for accountants to fully manage your financial data. Remember, a user with the role of accountant cannot be provided a permission level below 7. If you're unsure about which level is necessary, it's best to have a quick chat with your accountant to determine their needs. Once everything is set up, complete the process by clicking Create New User and Send Invitation. This action will trigger an email to your accountant, which contains the link they need to create their login credentials. When they receive the email and successfully log in, they'll automatically have the access level you've determined, and you both can proceed with managing your finances efficiently. There you have it, a straightforward way to add an accountant to your Freeagent account, making financial management a smoother, collaborative effort. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.